Oh, Alex, do you notice how I keep procrastinating that we clean this out? I don't know what to. Oh. Guys, now we're entering my bath. Notice I call it a bath and not a bathroom. It's a typical European bath where only the bathtub in here is. I only have a bathtub and a sink, and that's why the room is so small. But this is the room where I get ready, do a lot of my makeup. I tried to hang shelves that I could get a little bit more organization in, but it just wasn't working. And you see my storage space is just thrown over my head. We need to do something about this, so that's why this is a dare to decorate, decluttering and new decorating. First thing I've already done is I've gotten this ladder right here for my towels. Before I had this, and yeah, for it to stay stable, it had to be a certain width. You had to be careful how you hung the towels over it, or it would move, and too much weight here, it would fall over. And you see when it's in the perfect position to have stability, how much it limits me to come to my sink. And I was always knocking it over. So this will be repurposed and gifted to a neighbor. So that is finished. So I love this new ladder here. I love that it's white. It's almost invisible on the wall. This corner is not a perfect corner. It's with different, here is 90 degrees angle. Here is a larger angle, but it fits in there perfectly. And I can just throw the towels on there however I want. And I have all the room I need to get to my sink. Here we have, everything's run over. I have no storage, I have no anything. I have this cabinet here. Unfortunately, it used to sit on wheels and set a lot higher, but through the wear and tear, me spilling things in here, I'm quite sure some products and oil just, it ruined the plastic and it broke. So I had to take the wheels off of it. Please excuse how dirty everything is, but since I knew I was replacing it, I just have been laxy-daisy in cleaning it. So this one is going to be replaced with new wheels. The middle one I'm going to clean and keep. And if you see, the top one is not as tall as the bottom two. That limits me how many bottles or what size products I can get in here. So I have bought a new third one that is as tall as the two bottom ones. And of course, this top part comes off. I've replaced that because I've spilled so much makeup and everything. You'll see later it has stains in it. So we're going to replace this. And I've bought Lazy Susans for this, so that was the main problem. I have so many things in here, always reaching in the back, trying to get things. I'm always knocking things over. I'm losing track of what I have, what I don't have. And if you come back over here, I'll show you the smaller cabinet that I've had for years. And I've already put Lazy Susans. I've already cleaned this one out. I wanted to have bigger Lazy Susans, but for some reason, I thought this top comes off like the other one, but Kartell, oh yeah, by the way, these are our Kartell complement or components they're called. I'll leave the link down below. They're really cool, easy to clean, really have a cool look. So I wanted 28 centimeters in here. I couldn't get them in because the top doesn't come off. So I ordered 23, which still works perfectly because I have a couple of tall things that I can put on the side that would have been too tall to go into this Lazy Susan. And here, because I have a lot of creams and a lot of liquid things, I thought it was better to get plastic ones because I can just throw these in the dishwasher and then they're always clean. So that's my main thing, is to get organization and get ways that I can keep things a lot more clean, a lot more where I can find things. And who doesn't love better organization and just to know what I have? Okay, good. Now, I'm gonna show you the Lazy Susans I bought for the larger one. Okay, these are the Lazy Susans that I bought for the larger cabinet. I find them beautifully aesthetic. They're pure 100% bamboo, which bamboo is very, very tough wood. It can withhold any of the moisture or any of the liquids. It won't absorb it so quickly, and I can still throw these into the dishwasher. So luckily, because the tops come off of these, I'm able to get the widest width. What did I buy here? About 35 centimeters. And I think when I correctly measured, they're 40 diameter inside these cabinets. So that should fit perfectly. I should get some organization, should be able to find something, and I just love them. They're pretty. I like the aesthetic of them. So the next step now, declutter, 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 clean, rebuild. Let's get started. Okay, here we go. And as always in this house, we recycle. We got plastic, we got paper, and here are the things that I will be keeping. So let's go. Keep my baby powder. I need my contact lens, waxing, Lancome Hydrogen Masca. I think I've used this once. So I guess, oops, we're throwing that away. Oh God, I need another sip of wine. And yeah, now we're gonna build, oh, you know what? Damn it. I just filled up the bathtub with all my perfumes and I have to clean this middle piece. All right, we'll deal with that in a minute. Take two. Okay, top off. You see how stained this was? It's going away. This piece is also being thrown away. Okay, this piece I'm gonna clean because we need this. This piece, the cracked piece, oh my God, look how bad that cracked all the way through there. Oh, it's so greasy. Look at all that hair oil. Horrible. Okay, let me get this soaking in. I'm gonna take out the drawer. Oh look, something else came out. What you find? Another hair conditioner from Sicily. We'll put this in Alex's thing. Okay, let's get some hot water going here. That I can clean it. We're gonna let it soak a little bit too. Maybe this way. And fill it with water. This is how I clean the small one, so I know it works. I know it brightens up the color, gets all the oil and everything off of it, and yeah, let this sit for a while. Alex and I are gonna go have lunch. We're hungry, and yeah, we'll see you back in a while. Cut. Okay, the new component here, and come on. Look what I found in here. This is exactly what it is. The official name is Kartell Componibili. from Kartell. Yeah. So as I said, I will leave the link in below. But these are the components that I bought. Pack this out. Put the wheels on the bottom. Okay, this one in. Let's hope everything's in there even. Seems so. Okay, I need one. Okay, that looks good. It looks like it's gonna turn good in there. Make sure it's in the center. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, and then the next component, this is the one I just cleaned and dried off. Make sure we get everything even. The color is a little bit different because this one is a little bit older. But hey, we're working with what we got. Okay, the door just slides in there. Okay, I want to make sure everything's even here. Check this. No, it's not. This lines up. Good. Can you really see the difference in the color?
No.
Okay. Alright, then we're gonna put the next bamboo in there. Everything looks good. Okay. I just need a couple seconds to pack out the next one. Okay, and the last piece, the new larger piece for the top. Drop this on the top. You see how really easy these are to install? They just stack on each other. You can keep stacking and stacking. I get this lined up on the side. That looks pretty good lined up. The door goes in. Okay, the last bamboo lazy Susan in there. Make sure it's good. Wait, make sure it turns without moving. I'm wondering if I should put it. Okay, let's hope these stay still. It could be that I have to come back and put some kind of rubber on the bottom of those, that when they spin they don't slide across. But I think when they have the weight of the products on them, they shouldn't have any problem. Not that they scoot across the plastic. Okay, and then the new top without stains on it, on top. Okay, I have something else that I ordered from Amazon. I'm not sure if it's gonna be the same color, but I liked it because it had the same shape and same form to give me a little bit more storage up here to eliminate some of this here. I want to put in that case all my things that I do after washing my face. I want here to be my face washes and my mask, but I want here to be my essence, my lotions, my toners, my different serums. So I will leave the link down below where I found that on Amazon. Well, let's put it up here and see how it looks. Okay, here we go. Okay, like I was scared of the color doesn't match perfectly, but I think it works good on top of here. It has a similar form. Here, let's take the tape off. Okay, everything's sticking. Yeah, so you see how it is. I have extra place for my lipsticks that I use every day and my lip glosses. In here, I can have my toner that goes here, my different Well, this is a toner, this is a tonic. I have my different essence that I can put in here. So everything's in one area. I have different drawers here. Open this up. Different drawers. I can put things in there that I use on a daily basis. Some of my serums. This closes up to keep hair and dust out. And then up here is another, wait a second, how is this supposed to come off? Ah, yeah, it's supposed to turn. There's another secret compartment where I can put lipsticks and other things in there. So we'll see. This is supposed to be removable, that you can take this out, but I don't think I need to take it out. But, okay. How do I get this back in here? I mean, it's really screwed off, doesn't it? Okay. Well, this has been a learning curve here. Okay, maybe I don't store anything up there because that's too complicated to screw off every time. But I find this good. I find this really good. Now, I'm going to spare you me going through everything, finding the different place for everything, where serum's going to be, where hair products are going to be, where extra makeup's going to be, where blah, 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 and so on and so on. And I'll see you when everything's done. See you then.